Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to post jobs on Indeed. Open the Indeed application and there is the employer. You have to click to employers, and when you open and there will be option is to post a job. So you will click to the post a job and it will be opening find your next great hire. So you have to click this yellow post a job and it will be open like this interface. So we pose access to employer account. So I will complete this step. So which option best describes you? So I will select the option. So I will select I am hiring candidates directly for my employer. So I will choose secondly option and provide the following information. So you have to click to the your full name, your email address, your business name, and you will also have, if you have the website of your brand or page. So I will have page, so I will copy the link of my clothing brand page and I will go back in Indeed and put it, just paste it. So this is my social media page where the customers can find. So where you from, so you will have to just, I will select the country where I from operate, and are you located in the same place where your jobs are located. So of course I will select to yes and then click to continue. So I will click to yes and I will save and continue. So thank you for requesting a review of your account. We email you an update within 48 hours. Please don't submit another request or call as we can't process these over the phone. We appreciated your patience. So hopefully you will have to wait for 2 days and then you will able to post a job. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.